Let me see, I can get it in real close here. No. Just wanted to get a little of this beauty on tape. I'm sorry, I'm recording some of the procs. Go ahead.
No.
If we walk back in
If the truck's gone, it means I killed a deer.
Oh. If it,
What did you say there?
I don't know if you can read that. It says 445.
I said if the truck is gone,
It'll walk all the way up there.
sure, if I kill a deer early, I'll go back and get the truck. Y'all come out and the truck's gone, it means
Would you help that? I am. My blood trail there.
Your blood trail. You're not gonna.
Twice, both of y'all gave up on the trail. And I got lucky and walked across it and found it, both of y'all.
Oh, with tracking it?
Yeah.
You do that with Dad too?
Yeah, I found a big spot for that. Remember he started going down the hill, that big turn, well, come on, let's go.
Okay, that's enough. Hey, Dad.
look at that.
Oh, hey, Dustin.
Who's Dustin?
Come on, man.
Wait. Where is he? I don't see him. I thought he was here. Man. What the? Where is he? Hey, Dad, did you see him? Anywhere?
I saw him go out a minute ago. What's
That's-
the name?
It's a nifty hat there.
Let's go.
Very good. Wait, where are you going? I thought he moved into that other house.
He stays up there some and down here some.
Wonder when this bridge is coming.
We'll be here a long time.
See, Lisa's never seen granddaddies before, and now she can.
Look at the puppies. Yeah.
Where are they going?
I don't know. I think they think they've been hurt.
When I was growing up here, where I used to come visit, was about as big of around as my wrist, and about 10 feet tall. It's going a little bit more than I have. I'm underneath that big tree, and there's a big frog. Hello, big frog. I guess he's not going to move. This is the creek where we used to swim. It's gotten a lot narrower right here. But this creek comes in. There's another creek that comes in this from over this direction, comes in that way. And all this is where we used to swim. Real deep, 4 or 5 feet, kind of through here. And then it goes way back on up in there. A lot of fun here. Used to be an old barn back behind those trees back in there. That's the shed where there used to be the live wire. There's a basketball goal right on the roof, right behind that tree. Played softball out in this yard many times. What? Come on! Come on!
No, he's no older than you. Oh, he's not half of you.
Oh, yeah.
Not much more. His little teeth came out within the last 2 or 3 weeks.
Huh.
Where'd the little puppies come from?
The big, huh? Oh. It was 39 at the house.
40 and 41. Two of us over here.
Saturday morning, I think it was. It was Saturday or Sunday morning, it was 39.
You see any deer back here yet? Now, the deer are not here as usual.
What are you doing?
Oh, head, don't laugh at me. I said the blue heads, that's all. But don't, man.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
What? Exactly like you see. Yeah.
Get out of the way, cow. I'm gonna run you over. Ah, gosh. No. It's an African safari.
Poor old Dustin's on the back.
See how it's doing back here. And he is intrepidly walking to the stand. The stand just built by the Murphys. This is the way he will drag his deer out of the woods. Quietly. Sneaking up on the wild boar, showing off his fall colors. Oh, he spotted me. I gotta go, You stand. Splendor. Starter step. Just put together. With blood, sweat, and tears. Dustin, you can't be Machete Boy.
I thought I could find a cedar bush. Come here, Dustin. Set that one right there about head high. This tree? Yep.
We will catch Dustin in action,
Break it off.
cutting head high.
Yeah, right about there. Okay, see if you can break it over there. One more in.
He's gonna pull. Oh. No. No.
Okay. That's good.
He's been attacked by a giant tree.
Now bring it here. Bring me to the city. Leave it attached.
Too late.
We'll bring it to the city.
Why'd you want to leave it attached?
So it'd be more cover.
Now the father will show the sons how the machete work is done. You may ask yourself, why are you filming and letting your father do all the work? Well, I brought the camera. Hey Dad, smile for the camera. Come on. Oh wait, he's working. Oh wait. Chop chop. Chop chop. Come on. All the way through. Yay! Okay, smile for the camera. Hurry, Father, smile for the camera.
I'll smile when I get the truck.
Oh, come on, I gotta fade out. Gotta have a good stopping point. Thank you. I'm just a little deer walking through the woods. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I'm dying. Oh. This week on National Geographic, strange men who stand in trees.
You see, trees can be your friend, You just gotta pick the right one, see? See, these two old ones here, they helping out this little one. See, I like spending more time with trees than I do people.
Spend a lot of time with trees, do you, sir?
Well, raised in one, so.
You were raised in a tree?
Well, I didn't stutter.
What does that mean, stutter, didn't stutter? Was that a smart comment, sir?
Yeah,
Are you saying, well, are you being smart with me? I'm going to have to come up there and kick your little tail. Just make sure you tree poop. Here is some amateur footage taken in 1946. Reportedly, we will be able to see Bigfoot. Oh, and there he is. You're only going to get a shot of him here just for a split second, and then the tape cuts out. Oh. We have all kinds of little friends in our truck today.
We have to cross the creek.
Country car wash. Man. We're all right. We're okay. Did you hear that deer grunting, Dustin?
You mean this one?
What? Oh, you had me fooled.
Uh-huh. Much. There's something about lens cover. There's no roof cover. Hello, Kylie Murphy. This tree was a little tiny sapling when we were born. It's never been on the tape all day, making us all look like dummies.
Thank you.
Here he is. I am Steppin' Poop Man.
Yes. All over me. Shoot.
I am right inside of your mouth. Oh!
It's a little puppy.
Here comes the big dog.
Come on, little puppy, don't run. Still trying to find out what Custo poking is. Haven't quite figured it out. Here comes Father with our barbecue sandwiches.
Yes.
So what do you want me to do? Wait, oh wait, don't do that.
This is what a father does while the son...
Wait,
Look up there.
what? Dustin, I can't see your eyes. What happened to your eyes?
The North American redneck in its natural habitat.
Hey, Dad.
Note the blue shorts and red socks with working boots and safety goggles. And the beautiful hairy legs of a real man. It's Yankee Doodle.
What won't show up red? Well, let's see. Are they red on this camera? Look pretty red to me.
I want to film me when I shoot my 20 and 30s out there. Just to see what it looks like.
Alright.
From behind, or from the side, or whatever.
I'll put it on Super Seuss. What was that?
Oh, God, you that in the face.
I'm sorry.
Did you video Frank in his red socks?
Yeah, we had it.
He got that hat on with the hummingbird, doesn't he?
No, he had
Yeah,
that.
no, he's got that Yankee Doodle feather hat on.
He had to take the hummingbird off because it, what was he doing yesterday? I always did the wind blew it so bad, he was losing in the truck. So I transplanted it to another hat out there. All right, get that thing off of me.
Well, I said that it might lead to something, and sure enough, little old button buck, 64 pounds, not too big, but there, you see the buttons right there.
Okay.
Little bitty thing. About to skin him. He'll eat good.
Well, I was going to call. I didn't.
It's been 9 years since I killed a buck.
All right, nothing. Don't do anything.
9 long years.
Farmer rifle in there too.
There's the exit and entry and exit hole. That's the entry hole right there. Hit him on the back. Dustin and I tracked that deer for 4 hours. Hot. Got hot.
Come here.
There's the mighty hunter going to get his prey. The next time we see Dustin, he'll have killed, I'm predicting, a 6-point buck, 105 pounds, maybe 115. Notice how the camo conceals him as he swats away the flies. I know that stands around here somewhere. He's thinking to himself. There he goes. Good luck, Dustin.